Now, diazonium salt. Here from diazonium salt we will use this diazonium salt to prepare chlorobenzene, bromobenzene, cyanobenzene, and that is given by Sandmeyer reaction. So simply students, you have to remember in Sandmeyer reaction the CuCl in HCl, CuBr in HBr, CuCN in HCN, right? This is used to prepare chlorobenzene, bromobenzene and cyanobenzene, right? Now, so in this way diazonium salt is converted into chloro, bromo and cyanobenzene. That is the preparation is known as Sandmeyer reaction. Now, Gattermann reaction. In case of Gattermann reaction, it is similar to the Sandmeyer reaction, but only the concept change. He took copper in HCl, copper in HBr and copper in HCN, right? Copper in HBr, copper in HCN, copper in this, so that here both are same but the reaction takes place, the reagents are different, so that the name is given Gattermann's reaction, right? So this is the Gattermann reaction, which is similar to the Sandmeyer. Both give same product, chlorobenzene, bromobenzene, cyanobenzene, etc. Now, but in case of fluorobenzene, fluorobenzene cannot be prepared by Sandmeyer and Gattermann. It is prepared from the HBF4. This HBF4, fluoroborate acid, is react with diazonium salt to form addition product. That is the formation of N2 plus boron trifluoride with F. I am just separating BF4, I am writing BF3 and F with sign negative. Now, here what happened on heating, this is the benzene C6H5. Now, on heating what happened, it undergoes rearrangement. On rearrangement, N2 gets liberate, boron trifluoride also get given out. This fluorine attack to the benzene. So while this fluorine attack to the benzene, there is a formation of fluorobenzene because N2 liberated out, right? The remaining is there is a boron trifluoride also given out. So there is a formation of benzene attached to the fluorobenzene, and this is given as name Balch-Schiemann reaction. So in board always it is asked how will you convert diazonium salt into fluorobenzene. So here this fluorobenzene is by the Balch-Schiemann reaction, that is HBF4. Generally students are writing this diazonium salt react with CuF in HF to form product, but that is wrong. It is always by the fluoroborate HBF4. Now then similar to that, it is also diazonium salt cannot be prepared converted into iodoform by the Sandmeyer or Gattermann, so that here this diazonium salt is react with potassium iodide. So when it react with potassium iodide to form here, see what happened, this diazonium salt react with K positive, I negative. So when it react with this to form iodobenzene. So that is the preparation of iodobenzene. How iodobenzene is prepared from diazonium salt? It react with potassium iodide to form that. Similarly, this from phenol also chlorobenzene is to be prepared, that is haloarine. So here this phenol is react with PCl5 to form C6H5Cl, that is chlorobenzene. POCl3 is to be given out and HCl. So that is the preparation of halobenzene from the phenol as well as from diazonium salt.